Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today's topic is about strengthening your nails. So this is a DIY nail soak that combines with all natural ingredients that are tested and proven to make your nail grow stronger, longer and overall healthier. So for that nail soak we need some ingredients. First of all, we need orange juice. Orange juice is full of antioxidants and vitamins which promote the nail growth. Orange juice, since it is acidic, also helps to exfoliate the nail beds and soften cuticles. So second is garlic. Garlic is high in selenium. If your body lacks selenium, you will know, as you will have weak and brittle nails. Garlic has also ton of antibacterial and antifungal properties which is beneficial for hair growth. Third and last one, we need olive oil. Olive oil is an amazing moisturizer able to penetrate deeply into the skin. Because of this, it also helps to soften the cuticles and adds strength to the nails to prevent the breakage. So for preparation process, take a bowl, mix orange juice with the garlic and soak your nails for about 15 minutes. Then rinse your hands and soak them for another 15 minutes in olive oil. Do this 2 to 3 times a week, and within 2 weeks you will already notice a difference. Your nails should be much stronger and they will also start to grow. I hope you like it, and for such more DIYs and home remedies and beauty tips, check out the link in description box and visit my website. Thank you very much. Take care. Bye bye.